What's up guys, this is Mike for TVape TV. Today we're going over how to clean your plenty to ensure you're taking the proper steps to get the most from your unit. First we'll run through the materials you're going to need, and then we'll get into cleaning and maintenance. Before you start cleaning your plenty, make sure you have the Zeus Purify cleaning solution diluted 40% with water, fresh water, paper towels, Zeus bristle pipe cleaners, and the cleaning brush that comes with your plenty. The plenty is fairly easy to clean. You'll need to take care of the filling chamber, screens, cooling coil, tubing parts, and mouthpiece. We'll start by taking these pieces apart from each other. First, pull the mouthpiece away from the cooling coil. Then pull the cooling coil out of the filling chamber cap. Push the upper screen out of the filling chamber cap from the top side using the cleaning brush that came with your plenty. Twist off the filling chamber housing and remove the filling chamber cylinder by pressing on the silver rim from the bottom side. Then remove the screen by simply pushing it out from the bottom. Now that all the necessary parts are separated, soak all the pieces in a jar or dish of your diluted Zeus Purify solution for about half an hour. Then use the Zeus bristle pipe cleaners to dislodge any remaining particles. Next, you can rinse and towel dry. For best care, we recommend that you brush out your heating chamber after each use with your plenty cleaning brush. This will help to get out any extra particles and prep your unit for your next session. And that's all there is to it. We hope you enjoy your plenty, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a shout. Cheers, and as always, keep vaping.